Hello future designers, welcome to another tutorial ABCD. So in this lesson we'll be learning to do this particular UI. Okay, so previously what we did was to work on this side, okay, the dark theme for this UI. So that said, I'm going to just control C this and V, then I'm going to change it to 7. Okay. Now all I have to do is just to clear almost everything here apart from this, so I'm just going to take this out, then clear everything here. Okay, so now let's see what we have to do now. So we just need an admit button. So let me just go to the sorry, not the icon. Let's choose buttons here. Pick this particular button, change to admit all. So admit. Okay, so I'm using caps. It looks like I'm shouting. Okay, so then we'll need to change this. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, so let me see if I can ungroup. Okay, they are not grouped. I thought they were grouped. Okay, so ungroup. Okay, so there's no way for me to rotate this. Okay, so what I can do is just to keep the size in mind. So the width is 253 and the height is 70. So let me just stretch this. Then the height is what? 70. 70. Hey, I'm coming. Let me see. Sorry, let's use the this one. So 253 for the height, and then the width is going to be 70. Okay. Now let's see the background color. So the background color, I'm going to use this code. Control C. Opacity is 64, 65. Let's see if it's the same here. I think it's the same. Okay, it's different. Okay. Our border color should be this. Then I'm also going to change this border color to 2. Okay, so 2, 2. Now we need to just position this. So still the same. I'm not able to rotate them. So just let me ungroup. Okay. Then I'm just going to bring them here, bring you here. So I'm going to use the guide. Okay, the intuitive guidelines. Okay, so now I can group them now. So let's group, or better, so let's check the spacing. Okay, and then I can group them. Let me group them. Control G, and then let me highlight them. Control G. Okay, so now they are now one object. So here we are going to see the position of this. Okay, so let me just copy this 1342 and then 352, 1342 and then 352. I know, going to ungroup. Okay, then let me position this. So 1342. and then we have what? We have 352. Okay, for the y. So 352 for the y. What just happened? Okay, so I'm just going to, I don't know, but let me just move to back. I don't see why it has to appear in front of it. 13, 352 for the y. Okay, and then let's group. Highlight or Control G to group. So let's see what next we have to do. So we are going to build this. Let me see, we have everything here. We can decide to change the numbers here. Okay, as I have 32, I can decide to change here to, let's see, 32. And then we'll work on this UI. Okay, the rest is just to duplicate, so we can work on this, change the names, the images, and then just the text. Okay, so I'm going to pick a shape. So let me pick this. Let's check the position where 19113. So 191113, 191131. Confirm 113 rather. So 113, 113. Okay. Then we'll give it a background radius. Let's copy this code for the background color for this card. Then I'm going to give it, let's see the border. So the border color is going to be this. Then it has a radius of let's say 15. So the radius is 15. So just type 15, or you can use the slider. So 15. Then let's work on the height and then the width. So the size is for the width 22344. So 22344. 22344. 22344. How is that? Sorry, 261160. 261160. 261160. Okay, now we would have to work on the image. Okay, so I'm just going to pick any image. Then I'll change its radius to 100. Then let's see the size that we have. So our size is 50 by 50. So 50 by 50. So 50 by 50. And then we just have to work with some text. So I'm just going to copy. Let me just drag some text from this place. Let's use this text. And then our text, you can use any name. Okay, so let me just use Jacqueline. Name. Text color white. And then we just let me pick another text. I'm going to use this. Let's use this text. Yeah, UI UX expert, and I can fit to text. So now let's just try aligning everything, center them. Okay, the align component to center. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll just learn to populate everything. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.